shit, man, that's all we do. Hold out, little homie, let me talk my truth. Made an Instagram for my cat, and my cat doesn't even rap and got more followers than you. Hold up, let me get my cat a bar. She's filthy. Hey, Cairo, come here, baby. Now my cat's more famous than you ever will be. Man, hustling. You can't tell me nothing. I'm rapping, thug big cousin. But when you're drunk at the wedding, you still gon' fuck. See me in the club. Angelina, show me love. That's my cousin. You got me fucked up. That's my cousin. Like you don't know what's up.
Bradley, he's Cuzzo.
Angelina's your body, let me see it. Angelina's your body, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you body, let me see it. All my Angelinas, if you body, let me see it. You're embarrassed, huh? I'm in Paris, bruh. You brought your whole crew. I'm with my parents, bruh. Every white dude in America went to the barber shop.
Give me the Macklemore haircut.
Australia, they heard of me. Germany, they heard of me. Japan, they heard of me. It's a murder scene, you gon' learn some things. My name, Ron Burgundy. I'm bad news with a pen flute and a prince. No Ken, no, I don't work for free. I smoke that purple weed, sip a bunch of purple J. Yeah, that shit did not work for me. And now I just sip herbal tea. I'm posting at the smoke meet in a robe, eating church's waves. So cold, no emergencies. See me in the club.
That's my cousin.
Angelina,